Use customer for someone who buys things. Use client for someone who gets professional services. First one, he is a regular blank at a coffee shop. Well, in a coffee shop, people are buying drinks, not getting legal advice. So the answer is customer. Yes, I know some of you are regulars too. Number two, the lawyer met with her blank to discuss the case. Here it's not about buying a latte, it's about getting professional help. Lawyers have clients, so the answer is client. Third one, every blank in a bookstore gets a free bookmark. If you are in a bookstore, you are buying books. That makes you a customer. Free bookmark. Lucky you. Number four, the designer showed her work to her blank for feedback. Design is a professional service, right? So here, the answer is client. The last one, the restaurant has many loyal blank who eat there often. Restaurants sell food, and those who buy food are customers. Hungry customers everywhere. Quick recap: customers buy stuff, clients get professional services. Now it's your turn to try 7 more extra questions by yourself. You can find the answers near the end of the video. And hey, I'm Nelson, a real person, not AI. I work hard making these lessons, so please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.